What's up, everyone? Scott here from Trill Studios. I'm making a quick video because I'd like to announce that I am officially attending 42 Gear Street, which will start, well, today, because you'll see this video, and then it's starting today. So I've already traveled there the whopping 20 minutes that it's going to take by train to get there. And if you don't know what 42 Gear Street, basically, it is a big convention. We'll call it a convention. That Henning Pauli from 42 Gears, well, 42, HP 42, there we go, got it, that he puts together. This is already the fourth year in a row now. And generally what happens is a bunch of YouTubers and a bunch of brands come together, make a bunch of content, and usually have a whole lot of fun. So I have a lot of notes here because there are so many people coming. It's just easier for me to tell you who's coming. So Adam Steele from Hot Pole Studios, a great friend of mine, who we have a funny history together because Adam Steele is he sent me one of his audience Sono interfaces a few years ago when I was in Kiev, which got stolen. So Adam got punished for trying to do something nice for me, which is, no good deed goes unpunished kind of thing. And so it'll be great to finally meet him in person, shake hands, and get to see him. We're going to have Alessandro Biaggi. I think I'm saying that right. Never actually talked to him before, but I've seen him around. Andrew Baina, I've totally seen Andrew around before. Andy Ferris, we actually met when we went to the the Italian guitar show down there. Let's see, a whole bunch of other people. Colin Scott from CS Guitars, it'll be nice to see him. Glenn Fricker, obviously, he's going to be there. Henning Pauli, no idea who that guy is. Some bald dude, looks like a complete loser. So a whole bunch of Cola is going to be there. I'm just cycling through all these. Kyle Bull, it'll be cool to meet him. I've seen his videos a lot recently. Mendel, the guitar player who played and aborted, he's going to be there. It'll be great to meet Mendel. That'll be really cool. There's a whole bunch of people here. I don't know them all. I'm sorry, but there's a lot of great guitar players I know for sure. It's going to be great to meet with them, chat with them, spend some time together. Now, all the brands that are going to be at 42 Gear Street this year, we got Black Star, Face, which does like the Walrus Audio pedals, Harley Benton, Ibanez, IK Multimedia, Jupiter Effects, Laney, Rev, TC Electronic, Yamaha, Volta. There's a lot of brands, a lot of stuff going on. And so it runs from basically Wednesday to Sunday, where Wednesday we're all going to meet and have pizza and get to know each other. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, bam, 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 bam. It's just going to be balls to the walls, content, getting stuff filmed for you guys. Now, as far as I understand it, this year Henning is taking care of all of the data aspect of it. So I'm not actually going to be able to upload anything during 42 Gear Street time. It's all going to come out later. So for this week, you're not going to get any 42 Gear Street stuff, but I do have a video in the pipeline that'll come out. I think you guys are going to like it. You're going to be like, oh my God, when you see the video, but it's cool. I think you guys will like it. So that is what's going to happen. So when you see this, I'm already on my way to 42 Gear Street, or I'm already there suffering Henning Pauli. I have a little bit of practice of it. We were close proximity for each other for 2 months over there. So I think in the months, apart, I have enough left in the tank now where I can handle this. But no, all jokes aside, I'm really looking forward to seeing Henning again, Leslie, obviously, two amazing people, Glenn, and meeting all the new faces that I've never met before. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a good time. It's going to be interesting being the black metal, death metal, extreme metal guy there, although Mendel and Cola are also like that. But it'll be cool. So we'll see what happens, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.